go. You gotta lean into it, okay?
Mama's sexy new haircut.
Are we going down to the circle?
Sure.
Are you going with your
Sure.
carafe of beer?
My carafe. Look at all these beautiful people. Oh, you are so cute, Mama. Wow, you're so cute. So's Isaiah and Ezra. Love you guys so much. All of you so much. Nice sweet baby. Fix that stabilizer right there. Alright, there we go. It's gonna be really fast now, and it's got a nitro light.
Ooh, super fast. Oh, let's turn on our lights. Isaiah, do you know how to turn on your lights?
No.
Ez, turn on your other light before you get on.
I don't know how to.
Twist it. All right, leave your bike there and try to turn your lights on, Isaiah. Oh, Dada, you have to fix Isaiah's bike.
Flat tire fix.
You are.
Oh, wait, I gotta fix Isaiah's.
Mm-hmm. Ez, look at Mama.
All right, good. And then we gotta fix the stabilizer. Yeah, that's the chain.
Yeah, I can't go.
Oh, I can't go. But you're all fixed.
But no, I can't go because of the gravel thing.
All right, Ez, come on down. We're gonna go back.
And I need a repair.
Turn, Isaiah. Hi.
Can't beat, but you're catching them.
Don't run into Mama. You're in last.
I know.
First now. Actually, I ran them first now.
Okay, Isaiah, we're going back. Stop at the corner, Ez. Oh, you're super fast. Yeah.